Good morning traders. Today it's 25th November and the time is around 10:40. So Nifty and Bank Nifty look quite weak today. Initially I thought Bank Nifty was pulling Nifty up, but then Nifty suddenly came down with great volume. So I would probably look to sell today, but at this moment I haven't made any decision. I'm just waiting and watching. At around this point, at around 10:15, I thought the market might take an up move starting from here up to the day's high. So I just placed an order, but it did not get triggered and it suddenly fell from there. So I was saved. So this was one trade that I took, but then it did not get executed. Bank Nifty looks a little bit stronger than Nifty, but both overall look weak today. At this moment there is no trade. If at all I take any trade, I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you guys. Hello traders, the time is around 2:45 and I have closed all my positions for the day. So today I took two trades. One gave me profit and the other took my stop loss. So this is my first trade. I bought 13,100 PE of 26 November expiry. The trade time was around 11:42 and I exited the trade at 12:01. This took out my stop loss, which was placed at around 108.25. The second trade was I bought 13,150 PE at 126.75 and it was around 115. So this gave me 1:3 profit and I booked the profit at around 153. So total position for the day, first trade I lost around 1,800 rupees and the second trade I made around 5,900 rupees profit. So overall 4,000 rupees is the today's PNL. And regarding the chart, so my first trade was around here. Actually I wanted to enter at the break of this candle's low, right, of 1140 candle. Okay, but then that immediately moved down and my order was not executed. So I was still placing the order until it got either filled or at least the target was achieved. So once there was a small retracement, my order got filled here and then I was in the trade. So my stop loss was at around this region. Okay, and my target was somewhere around here, but Nifty took a turn and moved up and took out my stop loss. So that was the first trade. Okay, and my second trade was at around this level. So there was a previous top here and when Nifty moved towards that area, I was waiting for a double top formation. So there was a double top formation here. Okay, so my entry was below this candle, below the candle of 115, and my stop loss would be placed if Nifty moves above the high of this candle, and my target was 1:3 around here. So at that point of time during the 120-125 candle, my target was achieved. So in terms of the option, I'll show you. Okay, so my entry was here. What was the high of this? 126.65, right? So my order was 126.7, my stop loss was around 118.1. okay, and my target was at around here 153 to be exact, so that was hit immediately, but after that there was a small pullback, and now the price is around 276. so we cannot predict the movement. See, this profit looks very small, but actually it is a 1:3 risk reward ratio trade, right? So if I was into the trade for a bit longer, I would have made maybe 1:10, 1:12, right? But then we have to stick to our process and our trade setup and follow the rules all the time, come what may. Only then we'll be able to manage our risk without getting emotionally involved. Okay, so once again my profit book, position book for the day, and as well as my order book. So that's it for now, guys. I'll keep you updated for tomorrow then. Thank you.